Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to forward a domain to a different domain in IONOS. Okay, the first thing I want you to do is just log into your IONOS dashboard, come to the top, click on menu, and then from here click on domains and SSL. Now what I want you to do right here is just go ahead and select the domain that you want to forward to a different domain. This one is currently being forwarded to Facebook. Okay, I'll click on this one, and then what you need to do, okay, right here under details, you'll see destination. And I want you to click here on adjust destination. Then when you get to this page, click here on domain forwarding. This one basically forward domain. Click on this. And what I need you to do is go ahead and choose from these options they'll give you. Okay, I'll show you which options are available. And what I'll do, I'll forward to our YouTube channel, the video section. So we'll come back here. Let's wait for this. And here are the options. So you can either forward to your domain or an arbitrary URL. Arbitrary URL is basically an exact destination. For example, the video section here. So we copy this and we paste it in. Okay. And there you go. We can go ahead and choose our redirect type. We'll just use HTTP. This one is recommended. And then just click here on save. And just give it a few minutes to go ahead and initialize. You can see the domain forwarding has been set up and it is being sent to this target. We'll test it out in a few minutes. All right, it's been about 2 minutes. Let's test it out. And it should redirect us right here, as you can see, to the video section of our YouTube channel. It's really that easy. And that is how to forward a domain to a different domain in IONOS.